This is question number 49th, test series 6 paper 1. Now this is similar to question number 47th, where the type of function given was same. Now we have to find fx function. Fx is maximum of mod of x square minus 1 and mod of x minus 1. So we'll draw graph of mod of x square minus 1. For mod of x square minus 1, we draw x square first, which is a parabola whose like vertex is at origin and axisymmetry is y-axis. Opening up, we shift it, we draw graph of x square minus 1, that is we shift it down by 1 unit. Points of intersection with x-axis are minus 1 and 1, with y-axis minus 1, and then we take reflection of lower half into upper half. For mod of x square minus 1, we take image of lower half into upper half and reject lower half. Now similarly, we'll draw graph of mod of x minus 1. For that, we draw graph of mod x and shift this graph 1 unit in right direction. So this is graph of mod of x minus 1. Now we draw them on the same scale. You can see here we have both the graphs on the same scale. This is mod of x square minus 1, and this is red one is mod of x minus 1. So we'll move from left to right, and for each value of x, we compare these two and take the higher of the two and assign it to f. So you can see on left of minus 2, mod of x square minus 1, the blue graph is above the red graph. But after this point of intersection at x equals to minus 2, this black graph is going down and red graph, that is mod of x minus 1, is taking over. So we'll just choose the higher of the two, greater of the two. At 0 again there is a transition, at 1 again there is a transition. So finally the shaded graph is a graph of fx, which is like the maximum of the two. Now you can see from this graph that fx is a continuous function, and the gx is defined as integral of fx, and we have already figured out that fx is a continuous function. So what we do, we differentiate this to bring fx out of the integral. We know about fx, so we bring fx out of the integral. We differentiate this. Now we know fx is a continuous function and g dash x equals to fx. So it means g dash x is also a continuous function. And if g dash x is a continuous function, means gx is a differentiable function. And if gx is a differentiable function, we can obviously gx must be a continuous function. So that is what we were, that's choice we're going to take. C choice, that gx is a continuous function.